Are you wondering which programming language to learn in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through the top programming languages to consider, their strengths, and their potential applications. First up is Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python continues to be a top choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. It's a versatile language used in a variety of fields, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. However, it's not the fastest language out there, and may not be the best choice for applications where speed is critical. Then there's JavaScript. Dominating the world of web development, JavaScript is the go-to language for creating interactive web pages. It's also used in game development and building mobile apps. But remember, while JavaScript is powerful, it can be tricky to debug and handle errors due to its loosely typed nature. Next is Rust. Hailed for its memory safety and performance, Rust is increasingly being used in systems programming. It provides a great deal of control over system resources, but it does come with a steep learning curve. If you love a good challenge, Rust might be the language for you. Go, also known as Golang, is another language gaining popularity. It's a statically typed, compiled language known for its simplicity, efficiency, and excellent concurrency support. However, Go lacks some features provided by other languages, like exception handling, which might be a turnoff for some. So how do you decide which language to learn? It depends on your goals. If you're interested in web development, JavaScript might be your best bet. If you're fascinated by data science or AI, Python could be the way to go. If systems programming or working with system resources excites you, consider Rust. And if you value simplicity and efficiency, give Go a shot. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in the world of programming. Each language has its strengths and weaknesses. The key is to understand what you want to achieve and pick the language that best aligns with your goals. In summary, Python is great for its simplicity and wide application, but might not be the best for speed-critical applications. JavaScript excels in web and game development, but can be a bit tricky to debug. Rust provides control over system resources, but comes with a steep learning curve. Go stands out for its simplicity and efficiency, but lacks some features like exception handling. Choosing a programming language is a critical step in your coding journey. It's not just about picking the most popular or trendy language. It's about understanding what you want to do and finding the language that will help you do it best. So, take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. The world of programming awaits you.